okay?
Just thinking. So I love to work out with a personal trainer because I know my weaknesses and I know my strengths. And one of my weaknesses is consistency and exercise. So I know that about myself. And so I usually find someone who will make sure I get up on those days that I need to get up and get to the gym. And a lot of times what we focus on when I'm working with a trainer is the weightlifting component and the strength training, and all those things, because I can do the cardio pretty well on my own. And I noticed, every time, whenever I started lifting weights from the first time, how much stronger mentally I was, the stronger that I got physically. So, and I just would, we would start obviously with light weights until you get stronger and stronger. And I just loved the way that I felt. I love feeling strong. So, what I noticed is that every time this would kind of be part of my normal routine, it was easier for me to make bigger moves. It was easier for me to be bolder and jump out and do things that I normally wouldn't do because I just felt physically strong. And when you're physically strong, it's hard not to feel mentally strong. It just goes together. So as you build your muscles physically, something happens mentally because now you're overcoming something that you weren't able to do before. Like 2 months ago, I wasn't able to lift this weight. And then I see the progress that's going. And so that is such a example of how life goes, is that when you keep at doing something, you get better at it and you get stronger. And so it just gives you that confidence. And what's happening when you're lifting weights, endorphins are created, you feel good. So if you're normally working out every day or almost every day, you're getting that endorphin rush, which is a feel good compound in the brain. And so you're ready to attack the day because you can physically attack the day. So it's such a critical part and of development is being physically strong, and because that leads to that mental strength that we all want, that we all need. And so it's one of the shortcuts to helping you change your life into the direction that you want, is when you start moving your body and getting physical and actually lifting weights, which is what we need, especially as we age, to have that strong bones. Literally, we need strong bones to live as we age. You age better and you live longer, because your body is being used as it should. And so when you do that, your mind feels it and everything else goes along with it. So if you're struggling with things like depression or being stuck, if you actually start moving your body and lifting literal weights, you will be able to lift yourself up out of the rut that you may be stuck in right now, whether it's career, family, relationships, financial. Start lifting physical weights and see how much easier it will be to lift yourself up into the position that you really want to be in.